Introducing PalmSHIELD Forte, the revolutionary new design from the industry's top rooftop screening brand. PalmSHIELD Forte was created in response to feedback from our customers and installers, who requested easier, more flexible installation. Answering their call, we set about designing a system that is a game changer in aesthetics, strength, and installation efficiency. PalmSHIELD Forte provides the following: a pre-engineered exoskeleton framework, the option of attaching your system to either your rooftop or to the RTU equipment, and sliding panels that allow easy access to your RTU equipment for both maintenance and repairs. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install PalmSHIELD Forte. Today we are putting together a system composed of 10 panels and 14 supports. You'll need anchor bolts to secure the supports to the rooftop. Please note that anchor bolts are not specified or provided by PalmSHIELD. Installing PalmSHIELD Forte requires a minimum of 2 installers using proper protective gear and the following equipment: hammer, can of compressed air, level, drill, and a standard socket set. Before you begin, look over the custom fabrication drawings that shipped with your order. Be sure to follow these drawings as you install your product. We'll begin by placing the rooftop mounts and attaching the bottom track that will help support your panels. Set 2 of the rooftop mounts parallel to one another, as shown on screen. Now take one of the bottom tracks that ship with your order. Place the bottom track on top of the roof mounts. The bottom track is designed to rest with the grooved side facing upward. These grooves help hold your panels in place and allow them to slide back and forth. Adjust both mounts until the holes in the track and the holes in the mounts line up. These are the hexagonal bolts that are used to connect the pieces of your system. Slide the bolt downward through the holes and tighten everything together. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 sides of your system. As you can see, PalmSHIELD Forte is carefully designed to leave space in the middle for your rooftop equipment. Once all 4 sides are assembled, line up the corners. It is now time to install the top track. Match the holes in the top track with the holes in the mounts. Slide a bolt upward and then tighten everything together. These are the vertical corner brackets. They are specially designed to connect the pieces of your system's framework. Attach the corner bracket beginning at the top. At this point, the second installer will attach the bottom end of the bracket. Now repeat until all 4 corners are connected. You have now assembled the framework for your system. Double check that all 4 corners are level, and then use a socket set to tighten all the bolts. When you're ready, drill and install your anchor bolts. Anchor selection is to be determined by project-specific engineering. The final step is to install the panels. Thanks to the depth of the top track, you are able to slide the panel up into the track and then down into the bottom track while still having it captured. Install the first panel on the innermost groove and then slide it to one end of your system. Install a second panel the same way, but slide it to the opposite side. Install the final panel in the center, and place this one on the outermost groove. Repeat until all your panels are installed. The screens protect and hide your equipment, including from ground level view, but the sliding feature allows them to be opened and closed very easily. This makes it efficient for maintenance and repairs. Congratulations! You have now installed your rooftop screening system. Snap some pictures and email them to PalmSHIELD to enact your warranty.